Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. Today is Friday, so our challenge is extra challenging. If you'd like to give it a try, pause the video, click the link in the description, figure out what's in this box by putting numbers in at the top and seeing how they're changed as they come out the bottom. When you think you've got a guess, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin. I'm going to put in a 0. 0 gives us 0. How about 1? Okay, so we got a long decimal there. What could this mean? Maybe a square root function, or I don't know, maybe something trigonometric. It kind of looks like a square root function, although the numbers aren't recognizable to me. So 2 got a 2 point something. Let's put in a 3. Oh, and suddenly we're down. I was going to say that could be some weird parabola, but now it really doesn't look like it because it doesn't look symmetrical on the left and right. What about a 4? And now we're going up again. Okay, so we're getting some repeated behavior, which makes me think this might be trig. Let me put in a negative value here. And then let's do a -2 as well. So it looks symmetrical about the y-axis. It's really hard to tell. Right now this just looks like a collection of points. I'm going to try to put in some values that are close to values that are important in trigonometry. So let's put in pi, or an approximation, 3.1415. Yeah, and that's basically right on 0. So that's helpful. Let's put in something close to pi over 2. So I'm going to put 1.5. It's not super close, but pretty close. Oh, and that's way up off the graph. So here this is going way up. So my guess is that this is this asymptotic? So maybe there's an asymptote at pi over 2? Some line that the function is like going way up to and coming way down from here. And would that be kind of at pi over 2 and 3, pi over 2, etc.? That'd be my guess. Let's make sure this is kind of doing a symmetrical thing on the other side. So let's put in a -1.5. Yeah, okay. So this shape right here that I'm thinking, it would basically, from the origin here, it would be curving up like that. It sort of looks like, it almost looks like the tangent function, or maybe it's one of the other, like a secant or cosecant. And then this, if it's symmetrical, it's kind of doing that. That's an odd one. And we're not getting anything negative. So usually with the tangent, it would like go down the other side here. So let's just think about these. I think I might have an idea, but let's think about the trigonometric functions. So we're at 0, right? When at 0, we're at 0. So what could this be? Let's just look at sine, cosine, and tangent for now. Hopefully it's one of these. I don't know. We'll see. At 0, an angle of 0, our point would be 1, 0. So it could be sine. So that's a possibility. And then the tangent is sine over cosine. So this would be 0 over 1. So it could be tangent. Could be one of those two. And then when you get to pi over 2, which is right here, you have the point 0, 1. And that means our tangent is 1 over 0. And that would mean it would just go shooting off the graph towards infinity. And that seems like what it's happening here. Why, though, when we put in a negative value, do we not get the negative side of tangent? And there are a couple of things that could do that. You could maybe square the tangent, or you could take the absolute value of the tangents. So I don't think this is squaring because the numbers, I mean, the shape doesn't, it looks right. It looks like this is the correct part of the tangent. So my guess, my guess is that this is f of x equals just the absolute value of the tangent. And what that would do is it would take this, normally the tangent would go down here, it would just flip it up top, and then that would keep repeating as we go on. So I think that's what we've got going on, tangent of x there. So the absolute value of the tangent of x, that's my guess. I don't want to spend more time plugging in lots more points. I think if it's not the absolute value of tangent x, I'll be surprised and learn something. So let's take a look at this. Hey, the absolute value of the tangent of x. So we did get it. I'm curious to see what this graph looks like. And there it is. Yeah, so it's that tangent function, but with the arms that usually go down, just flipped up. It's kind of a cool looking pattern. Well, how was that? I think that was the most challenging one yet, maybe by far. What did you think? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.